sense to you all. Seagulls. And then I'm gonna like decorate some trees. I was driving around town and I was like, there's a great, like public spaces, kind of decorate them with like this flock of giant tampons. It would be like Flight of the Tampons, and then it dawned on me, the minute it rains, I don't think tampons hold up that well under moisture. But that would be sort of an interesting metamorphosis. Like this would all just like swell up and then. Yeah, good call, good call. Or over by the Grove, maybe a month ago. So, are we going to go now? Oh, so one of the items was, I had no idea what was going to happen with this whole thing, and one of the items was show up at on a certain street, right, in South Pasadena. And this was my friend's idea, because my friend was like, you know what, I got a shitload of landscaping to do. And they really did. They had a huge pile of rubble in their backyard. And I was like, oh great, we'll just make that together and we'll take care of that. And can't do attitude, let's fix things. And so that was one of the items. Show up at 10 o'clock in the morning or something on a Wednesday on Indiana Ave in Pasadena. We didn't give the address because people had to find it. And everybody found this vacant lot on Indiana Avenue. They were like, this has got Misha written all over it. It wasn't where they were supposed to be, but everyone was standing in this vacant lot. And then some one lone straggler figured out, oh no, it's out here. And I was hiding, watching everybody, and it was like a stampede. I told my friends, probably should be prepared for maybe like 5 or 6 people to show up. So make sure you have some bottles of water and stuff for them. And Dad literally we were running down the hill. The whole road was full of people. It was pandemonium. Anyway, so they spent all morning and into the early afternoon pouring concrete and digging trenches and doing all this stuff. And I was the only person there that has any construction experience whatsoever. So I was sort of like the manager overseeing everything, except for 1 or 2 people who may think they did. And then it took my friends like 3 weeks